So in this video, I will show you, finally figured out how this works. Best way to do it is to align the propeller this way and have this go right underneath, and then gently pull upward and it will just pop right off. Earlier when I was just trying to do it the first time, I wasn't doing it correctly, and so I made it look really hard, but it's not as hard as I thought it was gonna be. There's always a learning curve when you're messing with new technology. Alright, so I believe that all these things are in nice and tight, and so what I like about this is that it's rubbery, and also if your drone falls this way, the props hopefully will not be touching the floor, or if it falls on a rooftop or something, they won't get completely destroyed. So whether you are a pro at flying these things or not, having prop guards is a very good idea if you're going to fly over a roof, or fly around a house or something like that, because if the props hit cement or whatever, they will fly off, but they do get damaged considerably. And the previous drone that I got does not have this system, and the worst part was what happened was I was trying to fly it on top of the roof, and instead it hit one of the walls because it was a little bit windy, and the second that happened, it kind of cut the power because it was no longer able to stay in the air, and when it fell down, this little arm bent really badly, and I had to manually bend it back into position. Now it went into position quite well, but it still has a bit of a round shape going on there, and it's not perfect. The thing still flies just fine, but over time you do enough of that and eventually you will ruin your drone. So yeah, prop guards, safer.